The HIMALAYA study is a phase III multi-center study, recruiting more than 1,100 patients to 3 arms of treatment, namely the STRIDE regimen, Durvalumab monotherapy, and the Sorafenib. The populations are purely the first-line populations, and the primary endpoint is overall survival. As presented in ASCO GI by Dr. Ghassan Alpha, this study met its primary endpoint of the demonstrating improvement of the overall survival of a STRIDE regimen versus Sorafenib. It also showed that Durvalumab monotherapy is non-inferior to the Sorafenib in terms of overall survival. Because actually the study has a lot of different populations, and we know that XCC is a highly heterogeneous disease with Asia versus rest of the world, and also etiology, because the Asia, except Japan, is featured a high rate of the hepatitis B infection, while the rest of the world is more featured by hep C or the non-B, non-C viral etiology. And therefore, we would like to see any benefit and also the safety outcome of these regimen, this particular STRIDE, in the population of Asia. So in summary, we see consistent benefit of overall survival and PFS only in overall survival in the STRIDE regimen in the Asian cohort. And also we don't see any new safety signal, and the response rate is quite similar. But what's interesting is that when we further enrich the population by conducting subgroup analysis in the Asian, in patients of Chinese descent, mainly Hong Kong and Taiwan, we noticed that the hazard ratio further dropped to 0.44. And also we see further improvement of the overall survival in this population. So I think this study, first of all, confirmed the benefits of the STRIDE regimen in over Sorafenib in not only in the whole part of the world, but also in Asian population. Also suggested that when you focus on patients with higher proportion of hepatitis B, they may benefit more from this pure immunotherapy regimen. So we are planning to write this up as a full paper, and we can report the data to the rest of the world.